How do we promote our cleaning business? The most powerful is for us a word of mouth, which doesn't cost nothing. You just have to do a good job and build a good relationship with your clients. Good enough so they want to promote you.
Yeah, I would say 90% of my business promotion has just been word of mouth. You're having people in your home, so you're wanting someone you can trust, so almost everybody gets you by referral.
We love Google. Google's our friend. We do like to hit up Google organically, though, through some SEO, blogging, and that type of thing.
We use paid advertising through Google Ads. That's the most effective way. Having a profile on my business on Google and getting 5-star reviews is another powerful one.
Google reviews are everything. So important. Usually to encourage people to leave reviews, we offer some discounts or just ask nicely a lot of times.
Another great way to promote our business is doing cross-promotion. So we one time partnered with a couple young girls that had just started a business making dog treats. And we were leaving dog treats for our clients who had dogs. And they were promoting us on their website and in their social, and we were doing that for them. And that was actually pretty epic and scoring a whole new client base.
Promotion is key when running a business, any business. For my business in particular, I am known for my wild obsession with pink. My vehicle is unicorn wrapped, so you can see it from a mile away.
So at Life Made Easy, we drive branded vehicles, and they're basically traveling billboards. So if it's in your budget, I definitely recommend wrapping your car, because basically anywhere you are, you'll be seen and people will really start to affiliate with your brand.